Good morning, Alison Mead from Silicon Bullet here with some more bookkeeping tips and advice. So I've been recommending small businesses that don't have a budget for bookkeeping software to use Wave, which is a free piece of software that earns its money if you decide to take credit card payments through it, but is free if you just use it. You can use it to produce invoices, log your expenses, and keep track of your expenditure. Now, Wave, because of the new banking regulations in the UK, and no longer have bank feeds from the 10th of September. But I was working with a client on it yesterday who has a very small business, just 2 or 3 invoices a month and a handful of expenses, and actually using Wave without the bank feeds can still be a better thing to do than using something like an Excel spreadsheet, as it will keep track of your invoices for you. You'll be able to see easily who has paid you and who hasn't, and you will also be able to send reminders off and mark your payments done. And you can still manage your bank accounts without the bank feeds. So if you want to use Wave, if you're a small business and you just need a little help getting started, then do get in touch. If you're a larger business with a higher amount of transactions, I recommend that you have a chat with me. I do Sage 50 and 0, and it depends what your company needs as to which would be the best for you. So that's Alison Mead from Silicon Bullet. Look for me at www.siliconbullet.com, subscribe to the YouTube Silicon Bullet channel, and tune in for more tips soon. Thanks, bye.